Hello, everyone. This is Chef Troy from Classic Bastards Catering, and I'm letting y'all see one of the processes when you're creating your homemade wine. This right here is my apple wine that I'm creating, and it's been going for like 9 days. I had this in a storage room in a cold, dark place for 9 days. So today I'm burping this. I'll be burping this, what we call burping this, and that's just opening it up and releasing everything. Cause you see we have it locked down, and this right here has yeast in it. So you know this yeast is working 24/7 while it's on the apples in there. So I want to add these apple peels in here because I juiced 5 pounds of apple juice yesterday, and these are the peels from it. So I want to add these peels to this mix to this wine recipe that I already made. It's 9 days out. This is my first time opening it. We call this burping it. So I'm burping it, and then I'm putting the apples in. But once I open this up, I put my phone down inside of here, and you can hear the yeast working. You can hear the yeast working while it's in here. Okay, let's go. Oh, shout out to all my subscribers out there who've been rolling with me since day one. Shout out to all my new subscribers out there who's just coming onto my channel. Welcome to my world. All my subscribers are greatly appreciated. Thank you for taking time out your busy day to follow Classic Bastards Catering. Thank you for watching my video, and let's go. Got this sealed airtight, and I'm gonna let y'all hear the yeast in here working. Listen. You can hear it. So I'm gonna jiggle it around a little bit, stir it around. You hear the yeast working? And it smells good, and it smells winery. So I'm adding my apple peels. These apple peels right here are from apples being juiced. So this how they look right here. I can make compost out of this. I can make fertilizer out of this. I can make bread. I can make bread out of this. I got so many different things. That's why I say I could have made bread out of this with no problem. Apple bread. So I'll show y'all some videos of that right here. But you know, it's the summer season, and I am doing wines and beers for the summer season. So this is what I'm doing. Adding these apple peels. These Fuji apples. Yeah, I'm using Fuji apples. I love creating wine because it got so many steps and steps to it and layers to it. So I just love creating this wine. And so today I will be bottling up the rest of my pineapple wine. I got 3 wines going right now. I got apple, strawberry, and pineapple. So I still got like about a half of one of these or pineapple. So I will be bottling them last two or 3 bottles of that of the pineapple wine. So you'll see a video for that. I already got a video right now. You can go on my page and look at me when I bottled up the last batch of pineapple wine. I also have the video of me when I first started the pineapple wine process, but I just done a video for 2 days ago with the pineapple wine being finished. So definitely go check it out. And this is my new one right here, the apple wine. This right here going for another 30 or 35 days. I just wanted to add the apples in there to it. I'm going to tie it back down. Nice, simple, and easy. And I'm going to put this back in my storage closet for about 35 more days. And then I have apple wine. Okay. Take it out. Got it locked all the way down. Take it outside. Put that one out here. Right here. Lock it up. Put it in a cold, dark place. Close it up. Thank you for watching my video, burping my apple wine early this morning on this beautiful morning here in Easley, South Carolina. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for when I break this wine out in 35 days, but stay tuned for my next video, me bottling up my last 2 bottles of pineapple wine. Thank you for watching my video. Chef Troy in the upstate, and I'm out.